Hello crafty friends, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back on with another sponsored video. This is for Craspire, Craspire.com. They were gracious enough to reach out to me and ask if I wanted to test some of their products out. So I did pick out a few products and I wanted to go ahead and share them with you. So the package came. I opened it. I'm actually redoing this video because my husband decided he wanted to vacuum and not tell me. So I had the door open and it was really loud. So now I have the door closed. So hopefully y'all don't hear it, or if it is, maybe it won't be as loud. But yeah, so they mailed the products in this bubble mailer, which is nice because it keeps everything protected. And I did pick out a few products. Not cutting dies or stamps this time. I went a different route. I wanted to go ahead and try their wax seals and their wax. They do have a huge assortment of wax seals. They have a lot of Crafty products. So what I'm going to do is down below in the description box, I will link their website along with the products that I received. And yeah, then you can go ahead and check them out. And I think there's a coupon code as well. So let me go ahead and share with you first. Let me pull this off to the side. So I like how they wrapped everything very nice and neat. So nothing got damaged, which is good. I'm going to put this on the side. So first, I did choose these wax colors, which is like this really pretty pink and white. It's very pearly iridescent. And I like that they come in these containers. Let me see if I can open this. Hold on. Let me get my scissors here. All right. So let's see. Yeah, I haven't even played with any of these items yet. So I'll be really busy this week making a lot of project shares and crafty videos. So stay tuned for those. So that's the pink, which is really pretty. And then this is the white. So I do have a huge assortment. I would think it's a huge assortment of wax seals, but I just haven't really had the chance to use them in my projects, even though like my intentions were to use them. And so that's the white. So now this week, I'm going to be definitely using these. And I can't wait to share what I create. So let me put my scissors back. Hold on. All right. And then it came with these really cute heart candles there, like tea light candles, and some ribbon. I love the colors. So I chose that. And then in here are the wax seal designs that I chose. So let's see. All right. So first I did go ahead and get the spoon. I do have spoons, but I want to see their spoon, which is the same, and this picker, like tweezer. So it's really cute. You have here where you can, you know, pour the wax. So that's cute. And so these are the fun designs here. So let's see. I kind of remember what I chose, but I have to take a look here. So let me just take them out. I haven't really touched these. I was waiting for the unboxing video, so bear with me while I just take everything out. Hope you all are having a good Sunday. I'm catching up on my videos. As you'll see all my videos come up because I've been really busy. I have family here. My mom just moved here, and my sister was here for 2 weeks. So I'm just catching up with everything. All right, so I got everything out of their boxes. Everything was packaged nice and neat. So the first one is this really cute bow. It's a mini bow. So you just stamp it like so. And I really love that. The next one I picked was this strawberry. Cute strawberry. Again, I want to use these, and I want to try them for bow centers for my bows. So that's my intention for those. And then I got a bigger bow, which is really pretty, and it's different. It's different bows. And then this one Oh, candy, because y'all know I love to make crafts with like sweet themed. So these are some lollipops there. Super cute. So yeah, so I can't wait to use these. Thank you so much, Craspire, for allowing me to choose some products to review. I will work with these this week. And again, like I said, I will share my projects with y'all. Again, their information will be in the description box below. And I will see you all soon. Have a fabulous Sunday. Bye.